Meet the Element series, Nobelium. Welcome back to the Element series. Today we're diving into one of the lesser known but super fascinating elements on the periodic table, Nobelium. Get ready for some atomic level awesomeness. What is Nobelium? Periodic table zoom in on element 102. Nobelium is a synthetic element with the atomic number 102 and the symbol No. It belongs to the actinide series, a group of heavy radioactive elements. You won't find Nobelium in nature. It has to be made in a lab, and even then, it exists for just a few seconds or minutes before decaying. Animation of atomic structure with 102 protons. Discovery story. Black and white photo of scientists, old lab equipment. Nobelium's discovery was quite the scientific drama. It was first reported in 1957 by a group of scientists in Sweden who named it after Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite and founder of the Nobel Prize. But later, Soviet and American scientists showed that the Swedish team hadn't really discovered it after all. Eventually, the credit went to a team at the Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory in California in the 1960s. Alfred Nobel image, Nobel Prize graphic, then lab photos. Narrator, despite the naming confusion, the element still honors Alfred Nobel. How it's made. Particle accelerator animation. Nobelium is created in particle accelerators by bombarding lighter elements like curium with carbon ions. The reaction forms Nobelium, but only in extremely tiny amounts. It's super unstable, with its most stable isotope, Nobelium-259, lasting only about an hour. Curium plus carbon equals Nobelium reaction animation. Properties and uses. Periodic table highlighting actinides. Animation of decay. Nobelium is a silvery metal. At least that's what scientists think. Since it decays so fast, we've never seen it in bulk. It's radioactive and doesn't have any practical uses outside of scientific research. But studying Nobelium helps scientists understand the behavior of heavy elements in nuclear reactions. Fun facts and wrap-up. Fun icons, animated trivia pop-ups. Fun fact, Nobelium is part of the club of super heavy elements, those beyond uranium on the periodic table. It's like the VIP section of chemistry, rare, mysterious, and hard to get into. Cartoon of Nobelium with sunglasses in a VIP area. So next time you hear about element 102, remember, it may be short-lived, but its story is long, fascinating, and full of scientific rivalry. Like, share, and subscribe for more elemental adventures.